If you need to process hundreds of files, clean up an old Uploadcare project, or set up Uploadcare in a CI/CD pipeline, the dashboard might not be the right tool for you. That is why we created the Uploadcare CLI. It is a scriptable interface to the Uploadcare platform. It requires a single command to install with no additional dependencies. With it, you can manage and convert files, create and trigger Uploadcare webhooks, and even invoke add-ons. Let me show you how it works. First, let's start by installing the CLI. Next, you need to set up your API keys for your project. Your API keys are available in the settings of your project dashboard. The most common use case for the CLI is file management. You can upload files from your local machine by using the command. There are also various commands that you can use for file management. For example, let's list all the files in the current project. If we need the details of a specific file, we can use the UUID of the file to get it, like this. Or if we want to delete a file, we can run the delete command. Every command outputs a clean, readable output by default, but if you are scripting and you need to switch to structured JSON and filter down only the feeds that you actually need, you can add the JSON flag and this will happen. Now, because the CLI is built for automation, its commands are designed to feed into one another. So rather than running a single command at a time, you can pipe the output of one command straight into the next one, like this. And before you run a command that you're unsure about, there's a dry run flag that shows you exactly what will happen without making any changes. You can remove this dry run flag when you're confident, and the same command will actually execute. Now, file management are just the start. You can also trigger document and video conversion jobs like this. You can also create and manage webhooks like this. Now, if we check the project on Uploadcare, we will find the webhook we just created. And if you need to run an add-on such as malware scanning from the terminal, you can run it like this. Now, the CLI was also built with AI-driven workflows in mind. It comes with a command that exposes its schema output that contains everything you need to invoke the CLI correctly. This includes all available commands, flags, arguments, and usage examples. So any AI agents or LLM tool can invoke it correctly without any hallucination. The Uploadcare CLI is available on GitHub and can be installed in just a few seconds. You can also check out the documentation for the full command reference and sign up to get a free account to get your API keys to try it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any trouble setting it up, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. See you in the next one. Happy file uploading.